What is the verb to be? The verb to be is one of the most important verbs in English. It tells us who or what someone or something is or how they feel. Forms of to be, tense forms. Examples: presentum is, are, I am happy. He is tall, they are friends. Past was, were, I was tired. We were late. Future will be, she will be a doctor. Present tense forms. Subject, verb to be. Example: I am a student. You are smart. He. Past tense forms. Subject, verb to be. Example: I was at home. You were busy. He. She is, it was. He was sick. We were excited. They were students. Future tense form. Example: will be, I will be 30 next year. They will be here soon. Common uses of to be: to describe people or things. She is kind. It is a big house. To show location: the book is on the table. We are at the park. To show feelings or conditions: I am tired. They are excited. To form continuous tenses: I am reading now. She was working yesterday. To form passive voice: the cake was made by my mom. The car is cleaned every day. Practice sentences. Repeat after me. I am learning English. Pause. He is my teacher. Pause. Repeat. We are from Cambodia. Pause. Repeat. You were late yesterday. Pause. Repeat. She will be here soon. Pause. Repeat.